You can explore more miraculous details about some of these topics in my Implicit Revelations gift package, a bonus feature of this Implicit Revelations case study. Among the many mega magics offered in this gift package is the spectrum of dissociative states of consciousness, which describes 9 unique dissociative states of consciousness in relation to the PolyVagal Theory. And this provides new insights about how parts of consciousness might experience brain-body activity in any type of unique order or unique order of wiring within the neurobiological social engagement system stemming from early childhood trauma, traumatic experiences throughout life, especially during early stages of neurodevelopment, and or adverse childhood experiences. Basically, moments of unfulfilled attachment needs that impacted the way the brain and the body learned how to wire itself and engage with itself and experience. You can explore these new ideas and fresh insights in my Implicit Revelations gift package at kristenwindsor.com/implicitgift. I'm really excited to share this with you because the insights that I share in my Implicit Revelations gift package were some of the key cornerstones of my healing journey the past few years. As I regain more memories from this profound, unique amnesia, I recognize how I had applied the insights I share in this gift package to help bring understanding, compassion to states of consciousness and allow for internal collaboration to sculpt new healing modalities so that all the different aspects of my consciousness while living with adaptable consciousness condition had more opportunities to understand themselves and each other and work from that space of loving presence. Before then, it was so confusing. There was difficulties understanding what was happening, and because of that, there was so much miscommunication. But once parts were able to understand themselves and each other better, there was more opportunity to have compassion for these other states of consciousness, experiencing things that didn't make any sense. And once there was more ability for connection, communication, and collaboration, then healing potentials were able to expand. So I'm super excited to share what I have in my Implicit Revelations gift package because of how deeply this information impacted my personal healing journey in a very powerful way.